Okay, and I'm going to do a little bit of a house tour of the house I made on Roblox before I start the little tour. There's going to be no music, sadly. And also, before I start it, this house was not my idea. It was this person's. If you want to find it, it's called Bloxburg Modern Mansion Speed Build. And that's if you want to build it. If you do, then you can search this. This is what I builded. So this is an own idea. I just wanted to show you guys because I wanted to. But if you do watch the video and you're trying to build a replica of this on the video, what you should do is put it on slow motion. Just recommend you. Now I'm gonna start it. Well, I don't have an intro, so boom. Okay, I'm just gonna start it. I'm just telling you I cannot afford a big pool, but in the real video, yes, quality pool. Let's just get to the tour. I hope talking isn't annoying, but I really love it. This took so much time, a few days to make, from working back and forth and everything, and yes, it took a long time, but here's a little walk-in area. Some books you can read, some pictures. Oh, and the speed build did not have this, so that I just added in the nice little area. Kitchen. But the kitchen did not have ice cream. I just added that myself because I really wanted to. I got this little area. Just ignore that little slope. That is from the kitchen. But this is a little pantry. And before I get into anything, this is just a little area. I did not buy the bigger slot thing, but if you actually do try to build that, warning, you will have to get Game Pass if you do. But otherwise, well, it takes a Game Pass. You have to make the backyard pool like in the video. But when I added this, but let's actually get to it. The garage. Of course. Oh, and I put a bike here because I obviously cannot afford a car. In this nice little area. Nice little area. Nom nom doge. In the living room. Bedroom. Closet. Bathroom. Okay, there is supposed to be an elevator here, but obviously I couldn't afford it either. Because if I actually did add all the stuff that they had, okay, if I actually did add the pool and a nice car and add the elevator, then this house would be such higher value. I don't want to. Okay, so another bedroom, the closet, and another bathroom. And I think that might be everything on the first floor, so now I'm going to the second floor, which is kind of hidden, but not really. In this house, this room is exact same as the one underneath it, literally exact same. So yeah, I'm just gonna. Okay, but this is a nice little area. I got these plants, workout, and a bathroom, so then you can just, take a nice little workout, and then you're all tired from working out and you're sweating. So all you have to do is go in this nice bathroom and get all that sweat off in the shower. Actually, there. Let's go to the next little area. Nice little bathroom. Oh, okay. And this is the balcony. Yes. And then the bedroom. Nice home TV. Closet. Okay, but the only thing is, sneeze alert. Okay, the only thing is I did not finish the house because I'm almost done. I just need to add a better car, an elevator, and then a pool. And then after that, I just need but see, you can tell I'm not done. But I'm done. I'm close enough to be able to show a tour. Because they're like the only thing that aren't done in the house. Not the only thing that was there. Same exact thing. I barely even know how to show you this. But then the music room. And then just a door to the balcony. Yeah. And that's all. That's all. So I hope you enjoyed this little tour. Just wanted to show you what it looked like. So